Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. MIT scientists have discovered a way to rejuvenate the immune system. As people age, their immune system weakens, leading to reduced T-cell numbers and slower responses to infections. Researchers at MIT and the Broad Institute developed a method to temporarily reprogram liver cells to support T-cell development and boost immune function in older mice. They used mRNA to deliver three key factors, DLL1, FLT3, and IL-7, that normally support T-cell survival and maturation in the thymus. This temporary factory in the liver helped restore T-cell populations and improve the immune response to vaccination and cancer immunotherapy in older mice. The researchers found that all three factors were necessary to achieve the full immune boosting effect. The goal is to help people stay healthier for longer by maintaining a stronger immune system as they age. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak